Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video we're at 188,828 miles on the Chevy 89 Chevy K1500. I have gone 2,347 miles on the brand new Chevy crate engine. I decided to go ahead and drop and drain the Castrol GTX Conventional motor oil because I feel the engine is plenty broken in and has long since been. What did I use? Did I use Mobil 1? Did I use Amsoil Ultra Platinum? What? Did I use Redline? What did I put in here? I'm going to show you that next. Alright, so you see what I put in here. Guys, did you really think I was going to use something different? I did contemplate some different oils, but I always come back to the Amsoil. This is the Amsoil Signature Series 5W30, and I'm using the EA023 oil filter, and yeah, that's what I'm putting in here. So I know there's a lot of people that love Amsoil, and there's a lot of people that don't like Amsoil because of their marketing. They don't like direct marketing, they blah blah blah. The only thing I have to say for that is this is an American company. And for those of you who buy Royal Dutch Shell products, Royal Dutch Petroleum, etc., Mobil 1, all that other stuff, you are supporting and putting in the pockets of foreign owners. So, that being said, I'm not saying that you should always buy American, but this happens to be the best motor oil made. And I'll be happy to debate that in the comments. It seems like all the videos I've made that I have put Amsoil in there, everybody is an oil expert. Everybody is a lubrication engineer. That's fine. Use whatever you want to use. It's all fun. It's all good. Enjoy all the comments, negative or positive. It makes me laugh like nothing else, hearing all the anecdotal evidence. But be that as it may, that's my engine in there. I paid with my money. It's a brand new Chevy crate engine. If you didn't know, well, it's brand new 2,300 miles ago. And I ran 2 cycles of the conventional oil. You should always break an engine in with a good conventional oil. Never use synthetic. The engine's plenty broken in modern engines, you are really breaking in the rings, and that usually happens within the first 30 or 40 miles. But I like to do a couple of oil and filter changes to get any of the debris or whatever that's in the block out. So yeah, so that's the course that I took, and this is the oil that I took. Now I am going to make a video to show you guys with just basic 5th grade math, very easy to understand, that this oil is actually cheaper than, we'll say, the Castrol GTX Conventional I was using. Okay, it's cheaper. You run it longer, it's better oil. So, I guess the proof will eventually be in the pudding. I will continue to do updates on this. I'm going to do okay, so what I'm going to do is, before I change this, okay, I will do a lab analysis and we'll see what the lab has to say. Okay, fair enough. So let's put our opinions aside and let's let facts and figures do the talking for us. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point is, I'm going to show you guys something. This is what the inside of a clean engine looks like. Hopefully the camera will pick it up. I can still see I don't know if I can, the camera's not picking it up. There's still the like markings on the inside of the head that you can see, but it's obviously perfectly clean. Castrol GTX, it's a very good oil, very good. For conventional oil, it's 1960s or 70s technology. That's what I used religiously before I ever heard of this oil. I was in the use Castrol GTX and change it every 3,000 miles or you were destroying your engine. I was wrong. I had never heard of used oil analysis, or anything else like that. And you know, I'm sure the oil could have gone 5,000–7,000 miles, who knows. But the point is, you can't go by miles really to know if the engine is ready to have the oil change. So this is what I was putting in there. It's not the synthetic. This is just the regular 5W30. And this engine during break-in used 0 oil, not a drop, which is nice. So anyway, I'm going to let me crank this up. I'll let you guys hear it. I'm not going to sit there and tell you the engine is quieter, because, you know, it's a brand new engine. Can I tell a difference from putting it in there? No, not really. Not yet. I haven't driven it yet. You know, it was that smooth at idle and quiet with the Castrol GTX in it. But the Amsoil is far, far, far better. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I wanted to do the video and let you guys know what I put in there. I didn't get many people make any suggestions about what oil to actually, what oil to actually put in the truck. There were a couple of suggestions, you know, of course, Mobil one, and then you have Pennzoil, I think, was suggested a couple times. And so anyway, like I said, this is the best oil, in my opinion, for me, and also from every lab test I have seen. And yeah, we'll just leave it at that. So I'm sure I'm going to get plenty of comments. Please comment, positive or negative. I love them. I love responding to it. I'm not getting mad when I banter back and forth with you, for sure. Even when you call me stupid and I'm ignorant and all that, you know what? People are cowards when they're behind a keyboard, and it's all fun to me. So if you want to do whatever, or if you want to give me a good compliment, you want to say something positive, whatever, do it. Just do it. But anyway, guys, we will continue to look at this truck long term. We'll look at the oil samples long term, and as they say, the proof is in the pudding. So with that being said, guys, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit that subscription bell that's right next to the subscribe button, and I will talk to you on the next video.